I mean, so this is very, again, for Europe, it's so fragmented that it's really sometimes challenging in terms of what what language they speak, you know. So, but I'll just speak for what I know, which is French and English, uh, and how I build relationship with them. And it's, yeah, it's not only press releases, obviously. If you're lucky enough to meet them at a conference, or you know, at like an event somewhere that revolves around gaming in Europe, that's just the best approach, because obviously once you've put a face on someone's email, you're just so more likely to, you know, have that nice relationship going over, like, oh, how are you doing, and how was your holiday, or something like that. So it's very not just about business at some point, it's also just keeping that relationship alive and having a, you know, a genuine interest in who you're talking to.
Mhm.
And again, in this industry, people are they're very interesting and they're very passionate, so that's one thing that's easy about that, is that you can connect on a lot of different topics, you know. uh, and and yeah, I think again that it takes a long time, and that of course when you have a successful campaign and a successful beat with that particular media outlet or journalist, um, it's great, but it's not enough to maintain a relationship
Mhm.
in the long run. You have to really nourish this, and to me, you know, it's, you don't want to just spam them with your news or your beats throughout the year without ever, you know, having that personal touch of actually engaging a little bit. But at the same time, since they're journalists and they receive so much information in one day, you have to find that really, that balance of, and that timing also of when and how to approach them. So again, something that always is great is when you're able to meet these people, you know, at any
Mm.
event.